Hey guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be unboxing some items that I was sent by the lovely team at Lily Silk. So there are two boxes and I'm just going to show you what I got. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the brand as well, and why I picked the items that I did, just so you guys get a bit of a feel for the types of products and I guess the level of quality as well. So the brand was founded in 2010. The idea was conceived by the founder Lily Lin. So she had kind of worked in the silk industry for about 10 years and kind of felt like it was a bit unfair that the retailers were taking a bulk of the profit and charging customers quite a great deal in terms of prices for silk items. And then of course, like, the silk workers that the brands were using to create these products were sort of living in relative poverty. It says here that, you know, the idea at that point of a direct online outlet that connects Chinese silk masters with consumers is essentially what sort of put the idea into discussion, and then the rest is history. I picked two items from their website that I thought kind of spoke to me and would be a nice addition in my home. I've recently just redecorated my room a bit. I've just got some curtains up as well, so it's starting to feel a bit like home. Everything comes packaged really nicely in these gorgeous sort of white and like a orange boxes. It's kind of like a golden orange. So the items come packaged with some nice tissue paper and folded really nicely in this box like so. So I got two silk pillowcases, and I'll show you some close-ups of them actually on my pillows later, but they just look like this. You won't be able to get a really good glimpse of them right now, but you'll see in the cutaways on my pillows, and they have like these really nice this really nice zip at the back, which I've never seen a pillowcase with something like that before. So it just means you can slot the pillow in really nicely, and then it doesn't like create that gaping hole that you get with normal pillows. And then it's really nice because it's got this like gorgeous black piping around the edge. So I got a pair of those. You will see them up in my room tour. And then in each box you get a really nice care card, which just sort of shows you a little bit around how to look after the product itself. Then the next item I got is a clothing item because I really wanted to add some silk to my wardrobe, and that came boxed up like this, and it's this gorgeous burnt orange copper gold silk shirt. So I'll take it out of the box and you'll see me try it on a lot more ironed than this, but yeah, it just it looks like that. It has some really nice long sleeves, some buttons at the end, and then it's got like this necktie that you can sort of create a bow with. So I'll do some cutaways of me with this on, but I really just kind of wanted to show it to you guys straight out of the packaging because it's absolutely stunning. It feels amazing. Okay, so this is the top. I thought I'd show it to you guys untucked just so you can get a feel for how the full thing looks. But to be honest, this is something that I would probably tuck in to a pencil skirt. Love, love, love the look and feel of the material, and the colour is gorgeous as well. Really, really well made. That is the top. Yeah, I would normally do it with a pencil skirt, but just kind of wanted to show you an option. So yeah, this will be a nice addition to my work wardrobe, and I think that quality wise and feel wise it's going to feel really good on my skin. As far as the pillows go, I've always been told that if you sleep with a silk pillowcase, it's good for your skin, but it's also good for your hair, because, you know, if you're like moving around a lot and your skin's rubbing up against the pillow, it's like a softer surface for it, so the hair doesn't get caught in like the cottony type textures that most pillows have. So really, really, really happy to add those two items to my wardrobe. And I want to say a really big thank you to the Lily Silk team, because what they have done is they have given me a discount code for you guys to use. So the code is Nadreen12, and that gets you 12% off everything. I will link their website, the shirt and the pillowcase in the description box below if you guys want to check those out. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Han made this.